I put ice cube out here just to test how hard it is on the sidewalk, just to see if it's the right place to test it. I think this is going to be a good place. For sure is this. Okay, so we're doing a project called the Ice Cube Race, but it's actually a melting rates of cubes. So the question is, what type of ice cubes melts faster, comparing Coke ice cube, water ice cube, salt ice cube, lemonade ice cube, orange juice ice cube, fizzy water ice cube, but it's actually club soda ice cube. Which one do you think will melt the quickest or the slowest? I've got a few things that I think will happen. They're called hypotheses. I think the salt ice cube will melt faster because some people, I saw some videos of these people, they got salt, they actually put it on their hand, and then they got the ice cube, they put that on their hand, it gave them a scar. And why I did that, because there's a little reaction, but salt makes it melt faster. So that's why I think the ice cube is gonna, the salt ice cube is gonna melt faster. But I think the slowest melter will be lemonade, because lemons are sticky. I don't know really why, but yeah. And then I think there will be a 6-minute range between the fastest and the slowest ice cube of the melting. Okay, the materials I need is 5 different ice cubes and this non-contact digital infrared thermometer. It measures how hot things are or how cold they are. And temperature right here, pointing at things. So let's say the computer, it's 97 Fahrenheit because point to it. If you do my hand, it's 98. Point to different things. So we're gonna use this on the ice cube. So let's check out the ice cubes. How they do it. So as you can see here, oh, it's 59 here Fahrenheit, but that's I put the liquid in all at the same height. So that's normal water, fizzy water, orange juice, lemonade, and salt water, and that's the Coke. But what's weird, what happened is with the fizzy and Coke water, it overflowed. It looks like it's more, but it's actually the same height of, or the same amount of liquid, but just looks different as the other ones. Its volume increased more than the others. Yeah. And there's some frozen grapes. Yeah. Yay, let's eat some. No, it's not. I'll be using this to keep track of the time. On every minute, I'll be recording the data. First thing I'm going to record is how much the cube melted. I'm going to use my eyes of science to do that. I'm going to record the temperature of everything for every minute, and I'm going to use the infrared thermometer to do that. Okay, I got my lab coat so I won't get stained. I've got my ice cubes, I've got all my gear. So I don't want to get anything in my eyes, so safety first. I'm going to be putting the ice cubes in each one of these boxes to tell which one's which. Okay, I just want to get this out of the way. This isn't very scientific, but Coke ice cubes are very tasty. I'm going to get some starting temperatures right now. I'm just going to be sure. Okay, salt, 30. Orange juice, 31. Fizzy, 29. The tap water, 31. Coke, 24. Lemonade, 30. Awkwardness. Wow, the Coke cube was actually 4 less degrees than the other ones. That's amazing. 24. I wonder why that is. Let's get these cubes and get this lab started. Here's my assistant coming. Her name is Melissa.
Hello, I'm the timekeeper.
She's gonna be keeping track of the time for us. All the cubes are in place. Start the timer. Go.
If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the hook while my DJ revolves it. Ice, ice, baby. Vanilla. Ice, ice, baby. Vanilla. Ice, ice, baby.
1 minute's up. Record your data.
It's kind of hard to tell, but the salt is melting fastest. Lemon 36. Orange 48. Fizzy 37. Salt 34.
There you go. Okay, tap.
35.
Coke.
38. Wow, I'm noticing that the puddle sizes are different. Coke has the largest puddle. I think it's melting the fastest. Orange, it's weird. It's not round like the others. It's like got a shape on the outside. It's shaped like Venom's eye or something. 40. 40 for lemon. Orange, 39. Fizzy, 43. Salt, 47. No, it's 50 for salt. 30 for tap. 43 for Coke. Look at the salt. It's like completely gone almost. So as you can see right there, it's like just a small little sliver of ice left, barely. That cube's gone, so that's telling me that it's the quickest melter. But that cube's also completely gone. Look at that. That cube's in second place. So, salt first place, Coke second place, orange third place. Okay, so we got first place winner, second place, third place winner. And the fizzy water might get fourth. Or probably, oh wait, lemon. Lemon's also done melting. If you notice, the ice cubes are gone. It changed its state. It went from a solid to a liquid to a gas. What did that? Well, if you ask, the sun did it. Well, almost done. Lemon, exactly 100. And here we have orange, exactly 98. Fizzy, 93. Salt, 98. Tap water, 50. Coke, 94. Salt, I was correct. Salt is the fastest melter. Now is the part I don't like. Let's do the paperwork and draw some conclusions. Okay, so just remember, not everything needs to go according to plan. Mistakes and even getting things right or wrong doesn't matter. You still learn something. So let's go over my 3 hypotheses. I think the salt ice cube will melt faster because salt makes ice melt faster. And I was right, actually. It didn't melt the fastest. It took 8 minutes for it to melt. According to here, 8 minutes and 0 seconds. Exactly 8 minutes. So, but I think I thought the slowest melter would be lemonade because lemons are sticky, but actually it was the second fastest melter out of 6 or 5. And I think there will be a 6-minute range between the fastest and the slowest. And actually it was, I guessed 6 minutes, and it was 5 minutes and 15 seconds. That's amazing because I did some little math there myself. I had to change a few things on the fly while I was doing my lab. I wanted to record data every 1 minute, but instead we had to change it to every 2 minutes because it was too fast every 1 minute. Another thing I wanted to observe was how much percent of the ice cube melted, but that wasn't such a good idea because it was too hard to tell how much melted and how much wasn't melted because they all look the same.
Ice, baby. Ice, baby. Stop. Alright, stop. Alright, stop.
Smash him right in front of my
Alright, stop. Collaborate and listen. Ice is back with a brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly. Flow like a harpoon daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Turn off the lights, and I'll glow. To the extreme, I rock a mic like a vandal. Light up a stage and wax a chump like a candle.
For every minute, I'm gonna be it's a time, or it finds out how much. Listen,
She's gonna be keeping track of the time for us.
she's gonna be taking track of the time for us.
Say it again.
She's gonna be taking track of the time. So let's go over my blooper. Fail.
Alright, stop.
Perfect.
Check out the hooks. Alright, stop.